Hey guys, Kyle here with Stillen, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Stillen Subaru WRX cold air intake. We're really excited to enter into the 2015 Subaru WRX market. It's a fantastic platform that Subaru's built here with the all-wheel drive turbo motors. These things are making fantastic power. What we're really excited to do is to bring our experience tuning cold air intakes to this platform. To start off developing parts for the Subaru WRX, we immediately looked at the air intake. It's something that we're really well known for, is taking the time to develop and engineer an air intake system that works very well for the factory vehicle without requiring any additional tuning or modifications or anything of that nature. So the first step was to develop a few different prototype systems. All in all, we developed about a dozen different air intakes before we selected the one that we felt was the best fitment for this particular car. In the end, we were able to produce an air intake that makes 30 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque without any tuning or modifications required at all. Direct bolt-on, no check engine lights, no tuning required, easy install. What we provide you in this kit is everything you need to complete the installation. So you get your cold air shield right here, you get the new intake tube, we relocate the MAF sensor, so we provide you with the MAF sensor wiring harness, a genuine K&N or AEM filter. If you want to go with an oiled or a dry filter, we have both options for you. All the necessary hardware in order to complete the installation, and an optional polyurethane shield that completes the airbox system for you. All in all, like I say, 30 horsepower, 32 pound-feet of torque, no tuning, no modifications required, direct bolt-in. We have our own internal development car that's already done about 15,000 miles with this intake system on it and completed all of our testing and tuning results. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Stillen air intake or anything else that we might make for the Subaru WRX or offer for the Subaru WRX, please check us out at stillen.com, hit us up on live chat, check out the links below in the description, or give us a call. Thanks very much and have a great day.